How to see what someone likes on Instagram. Let's get started. With the upgrade to Instagram, now you are able to see what your friends have liked. Instagram has just rolled out this feature that allows you to see what your friends have liked. Launch your Instagram app. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find a fin option. Navigate to the Reels option. Now I can just scroll down and go through the Reels. While you scroll down, you might notice the indicator at the top right of the Reels playback window, which shows images of profile bubbles representing your friends with a heart or comment icon overlaid on it. These are the people who have liked the reel. If you tap through on that indicator, you will be able to view posts that your friends have engaged with. Likewise, when you scroll down and go through the reels, you'll get the pop-up bubbles of your Instagram user's profile. You will see the Instagram profile of those person who have liked the reel. So this way you can easily see what someone like on Instagram. If you're not able to get access to this feature, wait until Instagram rolls out this feature everywhere. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.